Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 13.2 question number 5. A farmer has enough food to feed 20 animals in his cattle for 6 days. How long would the food last if there were 10 more animals in his cattle? Here the given information is given in this table. Here when the number of animals is to feed is 20, the number of days is 6 days, right? Now when the number of animals is 10 more, that is 20 plus 10, that is 30 animals, you have to find how long would the food last. That means let the number of days be x, right? Here you see that here you see that the number of animals, the number, the number of animals, the number of animals, the number of animals to feed, the number of animals to feed, the number of animals to feed, and the number of days, and the number of days, and the number of days are in inverse proportion, are in inverse proportion, are in inverse, are in inverse proportion, inverse proportion, inverse proportion, right? Therefore, we can write therefore we can write that 20 by 6, 20 by 6 is equal to